to our captivating journey through 7 luxurious transitional-style living room interior designs, each gracing elegant homes in the heart of Los Angeles. Join us as we explore the art of seamlessly merging classic and contemporary elements, resulting in spaces that exude timeless charm and modern sophistication. Transitional design is all about the perfect balance, and these living rooms exemplify that philosophy flawlessly. Refined traditional furnishings find their place alongside clean lines and modern accents, creating an environment where old-world elegance meets contemporary flair. Forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts as we explore the best of both design worlds. The color palette is a symphony of neutrals, punctuated by subtle pops of color that add depth and vibrancy. This clever fusion keeps the spaces fresh and inviting, while paying homage to tradition. Plush seating invites you to sink into comfort, while sophisticated lighting arrangements cast a warm and welcoming glow. Each design is a masterpiece of harmonious coexistence, where classic artworks share space with sleek sculptures, and ornate details complement minimalistic architecture. The result is an atmosphere that seamlessly bridges the gap between time-honored charm and modern elegance. These living rooms are a true reflection of Los Angeles' unique vibe, laid back yet refined, blending casual comfort with a touch of glamour.